Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs. The location of the biggest SANRIO store in Tokyo is in HARAJUKU, a popular shopping and fashion district. HARAJUKU is known for its vibrant youth culture and trendy boutiques. This store benefits from high foot traffic and visibility, attracting both locals and tourists. The store size is approximately 3,000 square feet, making it one of the largest SANRIO stores in the world. This spacious layout allows customers to explore a diverse range of products comfortably. More display space offers a better shopping experience, as consumers have easy access to a wide variety of items. The key offerings of the store include merchandise like apparel, plus toys, and home goods. Shoppers can find exclusive items that are not available in smaller stores. Many products feature popular characters such as Hello Kitty, My Melody, and Cinnamoroll. These offerings appeal to fans of all ages, enhancing their shopping experience. The target audience includes fans of all ages, particularly children and young adults. Many visitors are attracted to the SANRIO brand because of nostalgic connections to childhood characters. This broad demographic makes the store a lively and engaging shopping environment, appealing to both new and lifelong fans. Special events occur regularly and include seasonal activities and exclusive merchandise releases. For example, product launches on iconic dates can draw large crowds. These events create excitement and encourage repeat visits. They also foster a sense of community among fans of the SANRIO brand. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. SANRIO Cube HARAJUKU store, the biggest SANRIO store in Tokyo, located in the HARAJUKU district, usually operates from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily. The parent company of Hello Kitty, SANRIO, operates this store and information center inside the Cube building in the heart of Harajuku. Hot picks include kitty-themed sweets and all kinds of SANRIO gadgets, although most tourists seem more fond of snapping photos in front of the curiously shaped shop than actually checking out the wares. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.